Blooming flowers, a vibrant lawn, and a neat walkway. Spring curb appeals like rolling out a welcome mat for neighbors and guests. It just feels good. Yet, many folks soak their yards in chemicals, hurting local wildlife and their own budgets. Because a pretty lawn doesn't have to mean pesticides that wreck our water and soil. Time to refresh your yard the eco friendly way. Traditional landscaping often relies on synthetic fertilizers and pesticides that run off into storm drains, eventually polluting streams and bays. The EPA estimates about 90 million pounds of pesticides are used on lawns each year in the US. That's hard on pollinators, pets, and even our kids who play outside. A greener approach starts with choosing native or drought resistant plants. Why? Because they're naturally adapted to our local soil and climate. You spend less money on watering chemicals and they'll thrive with minimal care. Think of local wildflowers, ornamental grasses, or shrubs that can handle Tacoma's weather patterns without extra fuss. Mulch is your friend. A layer of organic mulch around flower beds helps retain moisture, regulates soil temperature, and prevents weeds. With fewer weeds, you'll need fewer herbicides. Plus, as mulch breaks down, it nourishes the soil, making the healthier plants in the long run. If you have a lawn, consider reseeding with a climate appropriate grass mix. Some seeds are designed to require less mowing and less water. Or you can shrink the size of your lawn altogether and replace part of it with a rock garden or raised beds for vegetables. It's all about your yard space with intention. Don't forget about watering practices. Switching to drip irrigation or soaker hoses can cut water use dramatically. They deliver moisture directly to the plant roots, so you lose less to evaporation. For many folks in Gig Harbor, collecting rain in barrels is a smart way to water plants without tapping into municipal supplies. Taking a greener route helps you save money on fertilizers and water bills. It also fosters a better ecosystem for beneficial insects like bees and butterflies. And if you ever decide to sell, eco-cautious landscaping can be a draw for buyers looking to lower their environmental footprint. If you have any questions about going green in your yard, drop them in the comments. Let's cultivate a more sustainable, beautiful neighborhood together.